Transmitting your company's proprietary code, financial documents, or internal architecture files to a cloud API poses significant security threats. When developing AI solutions for enterprises, safeguarding data privacy is crucial. Simply sending everything to OpenAI is not acceptable. Today, we are addressing this concern by creating a completely local, fully secure retrieval augmented generation pipeline. Welcome to Creative AI Lab. This chapter concludes our automated workflow series, and it's the most powerful installment yet. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, enables a language model to answer questions based on your documents rather than relying on generalized training data. To maintain privacy, every component must operate on your own machine. No external API calls will occur. No data will leave your device. For this, we require three components: a local large language model, an embedding model to transform text into vectors, and a vector database to store those vectors. We will utilize Ollama for running our models locally, ChromaDB for the vector database, and Python to integrate everything. Begin by installing Ollama on your machine and pulling a lightweight model. For this pipeline, Llama 3.2 is highly efficient and capable. You will also require an embedding model. We recommend using Nomic Embed Text via Ollama as it's optimized for highly accurate document embeddings locally. Let's review the architecture in Python. First, we need to import ChromaDB along with our document loading libraries. It's important to note that you cannot feed a large PDF directly into an LLM. Instead, divide it into smaller sections known as chunks. Using a text splitter, we break down our documents into chunks of approximately 500 characters, ensuring a slight overlap for context retention. Next, initialize your local ChromaDB client and create a new collection. We loop through our text chunks, sending them to our local embedding model and storing the resulting vectors in our Chroma database. As ChromaDB saves data to a local directory, there's no need for complex Docker containers or cloud clusters. Your data remains secure where you store it. Now, let's move to the retrieval phase. When a user poses a question like, how to earn cryptocurrency, our script converts that question into a vector using the same embedding model. It then queries ChromaDB to find the three most similar text chunks from your documents. Finally, we construct our prompt. We instruct the local Llama model to respond using only the retrieved text chunks as context. Since the model operates through Ollama, it processes the prompt and generates precise, context-specific answers without internet connectivity. This architecture empowers you with generative AI, ensuring zero vendor lock-in, no subscription fees, and complete data privacy. You can direct this pipeline at your local code repositories, internal wikis, or legal documents, creating a private AI assistant in under 50 lines of Python. This concludes our 5-part series on automated developer workflows. By integrating AI unit testing, automated documentation, structured log parsing, SQL optimization, and local RAG pipelines, you now have a template to significantly enhance your engineering productivity. Thank you for watching. If this series assisted you in refining your development process, please hit the like button, and subscribe to Creative AI Lab for more tutorials to come.